If you've decided that for Medicare, Part C may be right for you, let's look into the different plans and see which one fits the bill. My name is Kim Sixkiller and I'm with Magellan Healthcare. Today we're going to look at HMO plans, otherwise known as health maintenance organizations. These plans are quite popular in Medicare Advantage because they have great benefits at low costs. HMO plans will often have lower max out-of-pockets. This means that the amount of money that you have to spend to hit your minimums can be far less than other plans. On health maintenance organization plans, or HMO plans, you're going to find that you're limited to the networks and doctors that you may be able to see. The way an HMO plan saves you money is that it limits the networks that you have access to. You would still have access to any network in an emergency situation. You just may have to pay higher out-of-network costs. With these HMO plans, you often have the opportunity to buy plans that have prescription drug plans built in. These can be referred to as MA, Medicare Advantage, prescription drug plans, MAPD, HMOs. One of the hardest things to learn on Medicare is all of the acronyms. We're here to help you with that and help you steer through which plans may be the best option. Remember, on an HMO plan, you may oftentimes require referrals or pre-authorizations to see certain specialists or other facilities before your doctors will pay without additional costs. If you have questions or would like help navigating the Medicare Advantage world, please call our office today